That is so right, Vlad. The background is now rose, and the timer is at 1 century and 15 decades. And here is what I am going to say next. If you turn off your computer 50 times, then I will no longer be normal mode, but instead, I will be mad at you. Now you got 750 chances left. And if you turn off another 3 times, then the timer will drop to 1 century and 10 decades. Please prevent from turning off your computer, because if you do that 2 more times, Vlad, how could you just throw a raspberry at me instead of a tomato? You know that also counts as a turn off. Now if you turn off your computer again, then the timer will set to 1 century and 10 decades. Well, look at the timer. It is now 1 century and 10 decades. Now if you turn off thrice more, then the timer will decrease to 1 century and 5 decades. Now please don't turn off. You got 746 chances left to spare. And if you turn off your computer 2 more times, then the times will decrease to 1 century and 5 decades. Five decades. Correct, Vlad. The timer is at 1 century and 5 decades. And if you turn it off another 3 times, then the timer will decrease to 1 century. Now you got 744 chances left. So now you got 743 chances left to listen to me. And if you turn off 2 times more, then the timer will drop to 1 century. And if you turn off your computer 3 more times, then the background will change to violet red.
You know what, Barney? Forget it. I will going to watch some videos on my phone.
Videos such as Wither Stuff, Hyper Bowser, Dark Bowser and other Dark Bowsers. Anyways, I'm here to help Rat for 10 chances.
Oops. I forget about that. There is no phone use during a Barney error. I am so sorry, but using your phone will also count as a turn off. Now if you turn off See the timer? It is at 1 century. Now if you turn off your computer 1 more time, then the background will change to violet red. Not to mention that you only have 741 chances left.